Hello everybody, and welcome to this video today in our channel. In today's video we shall be continuing what we started initially, that is a correction of the Cameroon Northwest Biology Advanced Level Paper 3 mock, the section that was given for those who were in group 1. So friends, stay tuned, watch the video from start to finish, because at the end of this video we shall discover so many hints and tricks that are going to help you to pass your paper 3 biology. Good. So let's dive straight into it. So as you can see, the equation displayed on screen, it's on dissection equation 3. It's saying that we should dissect the bird provided to display the urinogenital system and its associated organs. Make a drawing of your dissection and label as fully as you can. Annotate any two labels or consent with Roman 1 reproduction, Roman 2 excretion. Okay guys, so friends, I'm so sorry that I cannot bring forth the diagram of the dissected bird, but we'll just be bringing forth all the hints. Then later on, now you just put in the comment section if you want me to display the diagram to you, and I'm going to do so. Just put in the comment section and you shall have it done. So friends, let's get started. Alright, now we are simply just going to bring forth the general important organs that must be included in the diagram, because there are some organs that you must include in the dissection diagram to make it meaningful. If the examiners don't see it, they won't give you the marks. Good. So we'll take for the first case, guys, the adrenal gland, the ureter, the kidneys, and the cloaca. Good. So friends, the adrenal gland, which is on top of the two kidneys, then we have the ureter, then we have the kidneys, and we have the cloaca. Good. So these are the most important organs. Other organs that should be present there also have to be there for you to be awarded on the marks, but these are the most important organs, the most essential organs. I'm not saying that all the other organs are not important. They are super important as well as these, but these ones are the most important, that the examiner must see them, should be able to see them. Good. So friends, let's start. Let's take for a male. Like I said, guys, this adrenal gland, these ureters, that's the ureters, the kidneys, the cloaca, they are found in both the male and female bird. Okay. But in this case, let's look for a male, but let's look at those organs that are present only in the male bird and not in the female bird. Good. Let's start, guys. We'll be looking about the testes, because the male bird has the testes, so it is very, very important for you to indicate the testes. You have the vas deferens or the sperm duct. So these are the two most important organs that you can see in the male bird and not in the female bird. Good. Friends, for a female bird now, what we are going to see, which you will not see in the male bird, we are still going to see the oviduct funnel. We'll see the uterus, the opening of the oviduct. We have the ovaries, and friends, I also have the duct. Good. So these are the organs that you expect to see in a female bird, but not in a male bird. Good. So friends, I hope this was useful in some way. If it was useful, don't forget to hit that like button, because it is going to motivate me to produce contents for you. Thank you very much, and consider subscribing to our channel if you want more good content, and visit our channel, Humble Mark Academy. You're going to find so many contents that are going to help you in all your exams, in both the advanced level and the ordinary level. If you have someone that is taking ordinary level, direct the person to our channel, because we also have contents for ordinary level. At the end of this video, I shall upload that for ordinary level. So guys, please inform them. Alright friends, let's now go for now to see how we can answer the Roman 1 and the Roman 2, which wants us now to annotate that are responsible for reproduction and excretion. Good. So let's see if we can answer that, friends. Okay, that's good. They want us to annotate on our labels. We should annotate the parts. That's 2 each for reproduction and 2 for excretion. Good. So friends, we are going to start with the male bird. Let's start with reproduction first. So for reproduction, guys, the first part that we should be talking about for reproduction, as you all know friends, it should be the testes, right? Good. And keep in mind that to annotate the structure simply means that you give a brief description and the function. Good. So if you give just the function, they are going to give you just a mark. You won't have all the other marks. So you have to give a brief description, no matter how short it is, but you should describe that structure, then you give its function. Good. So we are going to describe the testis as it is rounded. Okay, it is rounded. Then it produces sperms, which is used to fertilize the female. Good. So guys, I hope this point is super clear, right? Someone else could still describe the testes to be milky in color. It is still correct. Okay. The descriptions must not be the same. They must not be the same. But all what matters is, are you seeing the testes? Describe the testes as how you can see it, and you'll be awarded the marks. Good. Someone else could write something else and still have the mark. Good. Then, okay friends, I hope this point was super easy, right? It was super easy. It simply produces sperms, which is used to fertilize the female. Good. Then now let's look at the next organ, friends. Let's look at the sperm duct. We know that the sperm duct is simply what serve as a passage of the sperms, right? Good. So we'll say that it is tube-like because it's like a pipe. Okay, it's like a pipe. So that's a tube. It serves as a passage for the sperms from the testes to the cloaca of the female. Good. To the cloaca of the female. Good. So that's it, guys. Because the sperm duct is being connected from the testes into the cloaca of the male. Into the cloaca of the male. So the sperms will leave the testes, pass through the sperm duct, and eventually goes out through the cloaca of the male and enters the female through the female's own cloaca. Good. So this is simply the explanation of the same point that we gave. Good. So now friends, let's now look at that for excretion. So for excretion, we should be talking about the kidneys, because we know that the kidneys function in both excretion and osmoregulation, but we are going to bring forth all the two of them. So we simply say that the kidney is reddish. Good. It's reddish. Someone could say it's reddish brown. Perfect. If you say reddish, no problem. Still correct. For urine production and osmoregulation. That's great. You see that we've given a brief description, right? We've given a description, and we have now stated its function for urine, for the production of urine and osmoregulation. So let's look at it, friends. After the kidneys, we're talking about the cloaca. Let's describe it, friends. We'll say that it is a small pore. It's a small pore, serve as an exit for feces. Good. Because the bird uses its cloaca to pass out feces. Great. So friends, let's look at keep in mind that for excretion, it is the same for both the male and female bird. Okay, as I've given it for the male, I won't give it for the female again. For the female, it is still the same as the male, because the female still has the cloaca and the female still has the kidneys, which still functions in the same manner. So let's look at the reproductive function. Let's look at the reproduction for the female bird. Okay friends, let's look at for the female bird. Under reproduction, we are going to be talking about okay, the first one is reproduction. Now let's talk about the oviduct funnel, guys. The oviduct funnel. Just leave in the comment section if you want the diagram of all this. Oh, guys, please, I'm so sorry I forgot to tell you put this. Just listen, guys. Just listen. It's super important. For exam purposes, the question 3 is going to be dissection. Now, this is what I will advise all of people to do. Practice all your diagrams. Practice both the diagram of a bird, that of a mammal, that of a fish, and so on. So guys, practice them so well, because these are the 3 dissections that are very common in the GCE. The bird, the mammal. The mammal could be the guinea pig, it could be the white rat, and the fish. So guys, practice them so well. because the dissection itself can take just about 7 marks out of 25 marks. So the rest of the 19 marks are to be scored once you've drawn the diagram, labeled and annotate. So for example purposes, I'll advise people to first of all start by drawing your diagrams. Okay, start by drawing your diagrams first before the dissection, so that if time catches you short, you are so sure of scoring the 19 marks. Okay, you're so sure of scoring them. You can now, after drawing your diagram so well, you can then start dissecting now and trying to arrange your dissected animal to resemble what you've drawn actually, because it is quite absurd to look at the dissected organism and draw it. It's quite absurd, friends. So that's the advice I have for you people. Alright, let's look at the oviduct funnel. We'll say that it is funnel shaped, as the name implies. It's funnel shaped. It collects eggs from the ovaries. Good. So guys, know that each of these annotations are to be 2 marks. Each of them, there has to be 2 marks. Good. Then now the next one, guys, let's talk about the opening of the oviduct. A small opening in the oviduct. Then now, guys, we can describe it that it is an aperture. Good. And it allows matured eggs to pass through the cloaca to the exterior. Good. Good, friends. Alright, so friends, I hope this was useful, and we should know that for excretion it is the same like that of the male bird. Like I said, it's the same like that of a male bird. It is the same, guys, like that of a male bird. So guys, let me just say a bit about this last function, that it allows matured eggs to pass through the cloaca to the exterior. We know that female birds do lay eggs, right? Even some male birds as well, but it is more common to female than males. So we should know that all the females do lay eggs, right? And we should know that the eggs actually pass through the oviduct, through the opening of the oviduct, the matured eggs, before the bird is able to lay the eggs. So friends, thank you so much for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want more great contents. And guys, please like the video, press the like button beneath the video, because it's going to motivate me to produce more contents for you. Thank you very much, guys, and have a great day and good luck as you prepare for your exams.